WooCommerce for Dropshipping Review, My Usage Experience. Links to WooCommerce and related resources can be found in the description below. WooCommerce is one of the most popular e-commerce platforms for dropshipping businesses, offering complete flexibility and customization. As a plugin for WordPress, it's ideal for entrepreneurs who want full control over their online store without being locked into a specific platform. One of WooCommerce's standout features is its open source nature, which means you can customize virtually every aspect of your store. With access to thousands of plugins and themes, you can tailor your store to match your brand and functionality needs. Whether you're selling niche products or managing a large catalog, WooCommerce provides the tools to scale your business effectively. WooCommerce works seamlessly with dropshipping extensions like AliDropship, Spocket, and DropShipMe, making it easy to import products, sync inventory, and automate order fulfillment. These integrations ensure that your store is always up to date with supplier stock levels and pricing, reducing manual work and improving efficiency. Another major advantage is WooCommerce's control over hosting and performance. Unlike hosted platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce allows you to choose your hosting provider, which can save costs and provide better performance. For dropshipping, where fast site speeds and reliable uptime are crucial for conversions, this flexibility is a significant benefit. WooCommerce also supports global selling, with tools for multi-currency pricing, tax calculations, and integration with international shipping plugins. This makes it a great choice for dropshippers targeting global markets. Additionally, the platform integrates with major payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, and others, ensuring smooth and secure transactions. While WooCommerce offers extensive features, it does require some technical knowledge to set up and maintain. For beginners, this might involve a learning curve, but with the vast community support and tutorials available, it's manageable for most users. In conclusion, WooCommerce is an excellent choice for dropshipping entrepreneurs who want a highly customizable, scalable, and cost-effective platform. Its flexibility, integrations, and global capabilities make it a top pick for building a professional online store. Check the links in the description to explore WooCommerce and see if it aligns with your dropshipping goals. This review should help clarify whether WooCommerce is the right platform for your business.